Everyone has a favorite, but some motorcycles earn love that spans generations. They're not just machines, they're memories, experiences, and a way of life. In this video, we're diving into the 7 most loved motorcycles, the ones real riders rate the highest across comfort, reliability, and emotional connection. Whether you're new to riding or a seasoned road warrior, these bikes have earned loyalty that can't be faked. Let's find out if your favorite made the list. You can read specs all day, but rider love, that comes from the road. It's about the feel, the bond, the reliability, and the soul of the bike. Consumer Reports surveyed thousands of riders, and here's what rose to the top. 7. Yamaha MT-07, loved for its punchy torque, lightweight handling, and affordable fun. The MT-07 is the perfect do-it-all bike. Riders say it's the one they never want to sell. Number 6. HarleyDavidson Street Glide, comfort, right handling, in the end of the stars Seperturni Sud, about it birth of our D sight. Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja 650. Sporty yet forgiving, the Ninja 650 is beloved by newer riders and veterans alike. Comfortable enough for commuting, quick enough for weekend fun. 4. Honda Goldwing. Decades of domination in the touring category. Goldwing riders stay Goldwing riders because no bike offers more luxury on 2 wheels. 3. Triumph Bonneville T120, classic looks, modern ride. The Bonneville T120 has won hearts with its retro style and smooth engine. It's not just a bike, it's a statement. 2. BMW R1250 GS, the king of adventure bikes. The R1250 GS is more than capable. It's trusted by world travelers for its durability and comfort, a bond built over continents. 1. Honda Africa Twin, versatile, reliable, and ready for anything. The Africa Twin has sparked love from casual riders to Dakar dreamers. It's the heart of adventure for many. There's no single best bike, just the one that speaks to you. But these 7 motorcycles, they've proven they can win the hearts of riders across the globe. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you love motorcycles like we do, hit that subscribe button and ride with us every week.